Jeremy's gonna do it, and Danny. Yeah! Yeah, you're good to go, baby. Ladies first. Oh, nice. Danielson.
Jeremy, are you okay? Yeah. All right, Dad. You can't swim, help him.
All right, eyes on you. Oh! Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. How does it feel? Do you feel like a man, Jeremy?
I hit my hand.
Oh shit, the climb. You gotta watch the climb. That's the worst part. Oh, is that Jeff? Oh! It's complete. You passed the hard part, Jeff. Now it's the easy part. Oh shit, everybody's going for more. Alright, gentlemen. Don't worry. Once you jump, you'll go farther than you think. You guys are gonna break the roof, you fatties. Just kidding. I'm bigger than all of us. I thought he was going for the belly flop for a second there. It's Brendan Hardcore! Oh, Jeremy's up for another one. Cannonball it. Yeah. Oh shit. You just wet the cars passing by. There goes Mike.